G'day! In today's video I'm just talking about a new model of display that I've come across that seems to be relatively cheap for the iPhone 11, assumably also for the iPhone XR. This one's by a company called JK Digital Display, and so far I've had really good results with this screen. 120Hz display, touched input, original color display, high wear resistance, overall durability I'm yet to really experience, but I'll see that in a few weeks, few months. Wide color gamut, low power consumption, so all fairly spruiking information there. Comes in a little tin box, which I'd probably rather cardboard just to save a little bit more on the cost, but so far I've been pretty happy with the design. The overall thickness with it sticking out of the phone, I haven't really noticed it's protrude as far as other brands. And one thing that I am happy with so far from my experience with these screens is each of the little screws is actually in place and is actually holding. There are plenty of them that I've come across where these screws are already super loose and virtually fall out in the phone and then end up damaging the display or battery. So that is a huge disappointment. But on this particular model, I haven't had that drama. The overall tape or the adhesive. The tape I found comes off relatively easily, or the protector. That stuff comes off just fine. I do find you've got to peel this bit up first, or at least in the ones I've been experiencing, before you peel this off, like so. And also I have been able to use my firmware cloning software, my WL. It's been functioning just fine, reading and writing firmwares to these screens, no issue at all. Well, the thing that you probably want to know is, how does it look? Overall, I've been very happy with it. Viewing angles, I believe it's an IPS panel. Looking at it on an obscure angle, it doesn't invert. It retains the same level of brightness, so I've been pretty happy with that. The overall vibrancy of it does look to be pretty darn good, especially compared to some dull aftermarket ones that are available. Responds well to brightness. I'm not sure of the overall low brightness, how well these work when the screen brightness is turned down. But so far, for a replacement phone screen, they're looking pretty reasonable. Anyway, that's just my thoughts on the JK display. And time will tell how well these truly handle general usage. But for now, I'll see how they go. Bye.